Solve the equation 5 by x minus 3 plus 2 by x plus 1 equals to 1. And our answer should be three significant figures. So here is a given 5 divide x minus 3 plus 2 divide x plus 1 equals to 1. So here is the common denominator is x minus 3 and x plus 1. So once we multiply this one, so we will get x plus 1 times 5 plus 2 times x minus 3 equals to 1 times, it means x minus 3 times x plus 1, right? So we are multiplying by the common denominator. A side note can be right, multiplying by the common denominator, right? Denominator. Now it's the main work. Like once we expand this one, here is a 5x plus 5 plus 2x minus 6 equals to x times x is x square minus, or it's a plus x and then minus 3x minus 3. And now we will transfer everything to one side, or better to minimize, like so 7x plus 2x, it is 7x, 5 minus 6, it's a minus 1, right? So 7x minus 1 equals to, here is a x square minus 2x and minus 3. So now this one we can write x square minus 2x minus 3 minus 7x plus 1 equals to 0, right? So finally it will be like x square minus 2x minus 7x is a minus 9x minus 3 plus 1 is a minus 2 equals to 0. So this equation, or we can say these kinds of quadratic equation, we cannot factorize smoothly. So this case we will use the quadratic formula. Okay, so x equals to what? X equals to, we know, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So once we compare with ax square plus bx plus c, here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 9 and c equals to minus 2. So we can implement this one in here. So minus b, it means minus and minus 9 plus minus root over minus 9 square minus 4 times a means 1 times c means what? C means minus 2, and divide 2a, 2 times a means what? 1, right? Now look, here is a minus and minus plus, so it's a 9 plus minus root over minus 9 square is 81, minus and minus plus 4 times 2 is 8, and here is a 2 times 1 is 2. So here will be 9 plus minus root over 81 plus 8 is 89 divide 2. Okay, so we can convert this one, or plus minus root 89, it's a what? Root 89, it's a 9.434 divide 2. So here is a 2 answer. If positive, then x equals to 9 plus, here is not root because root 89 means 9.434. So once positive, it's a 9 plus 9.434 divide 2, and finally this one is a 9.217. We are using three numbers, significant figure, and if minus, it will be x equals to 9 minus 9.434 divide 2, and finally this one is a what? Finally this one is a minus then 0.217. So here is a 2 answer we can write. So So x equals to minus 2.217, or we can say it's a 9.217. Very simple. So step by step we are trying to solve this quadratic math equation, which is very important for examination. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel, and next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice. Thank you.